Adjusting and updating SMART goals for continued growth in English learning. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the last stage of setting SMART goals for your English language journey, namely, implementing and evaluating SMART goals. But what happens after you've set and evaluated these goals? Well, that's where the focus of today's discussion lies. Adjusting and updating SMART goals for continued growth. Stick around to get some fantastic tips on how to keep your language learning trajectory upwards and onwards. SMART goals aren't set in stone. They're designed to be flexible, allowing you to adapt them based on your performance and life changes. Consistent evaluation and adjustment are necessary to ensure that your goals continue to serve you well. If your initial goals are too easy, you won't be challenged. If they are too hard, you'll be discouraged. Fine-tuning these goals helps you to stay in the optimal zone of learning, which psychologists often refer to as the flow state. So when should you be revisiting your SMART goals? Regularly scheduled evaluations are a good idea, perhaps monthly or quarterly, depending on the scope and scale of your goal. However, you should also reevaluate whenever there's a significant change in your circumstances. For example, if you suddenly find yourself swamped with work and unable to devote as much time to English learning, that's a great time to recalibrate your goals. Step 1. Re-evaluate. Start by assessing your current performance. Are you consistently meeting, falling short of, or exceeding your goals? Step 2. Identify the reason. Identify the reason behind your performance. Is it because the goals were unrealistic, or maybe your study method needs tweaking? Understanding the why is crucial before making any changes. Step 3. Make necessary changes. Now, adjust the specifics of your SMART goals. Make them harder if you need more challenge, or easier if you're getting overwhelmed. Remember to keep them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 4. Implement changes. Once you've recalibrated your goals, implement the changes immediately. Update your study plans, schedules, and any tracking systems you have in place. Step 5. Monitor and repeat. After making adjustments, keep an eye on how things are going. Are the changes effective? If not, it might be time for another adjustment. Remember, the key to success is a continual process of evaluation and adjustment. While adjusting your goals, avoid being too lax or too stringent with yourself. Balance is key. Also, don't change your goals too frequently. Give yourself sufficient time to adapt and measure the effects of your previous adjustments. So, there you have it, folks. Adjusting and updating your SMART goals is not a one-off task but a continual process that keeps you aligned with your English learning objectives. I hope you find these tips helpful for your own learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing, and keep aiming higher. Feel free to leave your comments and questions below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Happy learning!